Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'll show you how to factory reset your JBL TUNER 3. To reset it, hold the Bluetooth icon and the scan button for 5 seconds. Press both buttons and keep holding until you see resetting on the screen. Now it's resetting, we can let go. Now it's being factory reset and we're in the setup screen. Next, click on Scan and it will scan for radio stations. After that, we're ready to pair it again by tapping the icon. That's how you can easily factory reset your JBL TUNER 3. I hope this was helpful. If so, leave a like, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.